Hello, today we will guide you through how to ADD US30 on MT5 Mobile. If you want to make the US30 instrument visible in your MetaTrader 5 mobile app, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can easily follow along on your phone and make sure the symbol is added correctly to your quotes list. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load. This helps ensure that all menus and market information appear properly before you continue. If you're already logged in and on the main screen, you're ready for the next step. Now look toward the bottom left area of the screen and tap on Quotes. This section is where MT5 displays the trading instruments currently available in your watch list. If you've used the app before, you may already see Forex pairs, indices, or other assets listed here. The Quotes tab is the right place to manage and add new symbols like US30. After that, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and tap the plus sign. This opens the symbol search and instrument management area where you can look for assets that are not yet shown in your current quotes list. This is especially useful when you want to add a specific market quickly instead of browsing through folders manually. Once the search area opens, enter US30 into the search bar. Be sure to type it clearly so the app can find the correct matching instrument. Depending on your broker, the exact symbol name may appear slightly differently, but searching for US30 will usually bring up the relevant result if it is available on your account. When the result appears, tap on the matching item to add it. This action typically places the instrument into your quotes list right away. In most cases, once you tap it, the symbol is added immediately and becomes available for viewing, charting, or trading. After adding it, you can go back to the quotes screen and check that US30 now appears in your list. If you don't see it right away, give the list a quick look or allow the app a moment to refresh. And that's it. You've successfully added US30 on MT5 Mobile. This simple method is useful anytime you need to add a new trading instrument to your watch list and keep your market view organized.